The number one reason creators fail isn't a lack of talent. It's a lack of consistency. You start strong, but then writer's block hits, and suddenly you haven't posted in 2 weeks. But what if you could eliminate that struggle forever? What if you could sit down for just 60 minutes and walk away with every single script, caption, and hook you need for the next 30 days? Today, I'm showing you the master prompt system that turns ChatGPT into your full-time content strategist. Welcome back to Social Growth Blueprint. We've talked about the power of AI and the tools you need to automate your growth. But tools are useless without a message. Today, we're solving the content bottleneck. I'm going to walk you through a 4-step workflow using ChatGPT to research, ideate, and script a month's worth of viral content. By the end of this video, you won't just have ideas. You'll have a complete content factory that lets you focus on building your empire while the AI handles the writing. Let's build your foundation. Most people get bad results from ChatGPT because they treat it like a search engine. To get viral scripts, you have to treat it like an employee. You need to prime the AI. Before asking for ideas, tell the AI exactly who it is. Use a prompt like, "You're a world-class social media strategist specializing in Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. Your goal is to create high-retention, educational content for small business owners." Give it your brand voice. Is it bold, motivational, professional? When the AI knows its identity, it stops giving generic advice and starts giving you a blueprint for success. Now that your AI strategist is ready, we need quantity before we focus on quality. We're going to generate 30 content pillars. Instead of asking for post ideas, ask for 30 pain points my target audience faces. If your niche is AI tools for marketing, your pillars might be fear of being replaced, too many tools to choose from, or how to save time on editing. By focusing on pain points, you ensure your content is valuable. Once you have these 30 pillars, you have the what. Now we just need the how. If your hook fails, the rest of your script doesn't matter. We're going to use ChatGPT to generate 5 different hooks for every single one of your 30 ideas. Ask the AI to use psychological triggers, things like curiosity, fear of missing out, or a controversial opinion. For example, stop using Canva until you see this. This creates an open loop in the viewer's brain that they have to close by watching the rest of your video. We're going to pick the strongest hook for each day and build the script around it. Now for the heavy lifting, turning those hooks into 10-minute scripts or 60-second reels. You're going to give ChatGPT a structure template. Tell it, for every idea, write a script following this format. Hook, introduction, 3 actionable tips, and a call to action. By providing a structure, you ensure consistency across your channel. This is how you batch. You aren't writing one script, you're overseeing a production line. In less than 30 minutes, ChatGPT will generate the raw text for your entire month. Your job is now to humanize it, add your personal stories, your unique insights, and your brand's energy. If you want the exact master prompt I used in this video, let me know in the comments by typing prompt, and I'll send it over to you. Also, let me know, what is the biggest thing that stops you from being consistent? Let's figure out a workflow to fix it. If this video helped you see how easy content creation can be with AI, hit that like button and subscribe to the Social Growth Blueprint. We're here to make sure you never run out of ideas again. Check the description for a link to our Faceless Creators AI Toolkit to help you get started. You have the tools, you have the strategy, and now you have the scripts. I'll see you in the next video where we dive into Faceless Success, how AI is changing the YouTube game. Go build your empire.